What's the biggest cybersecurity risk manufacturers face in 2025? It's not just the tech itself, it's the lack of proactive protection. If you're in manufacturing, you know the stakes are higher than ever. Today, I'm breaking down exactly why more manufacturers are partnering with managed service providers, MSPs, for next-level cybersecurity. This isn't just my take, it's grounded in Consilien's latest insights. Let's get into it. In 2025, manufacturers are prime targets for cybercrime. With IoT devices on every line, remote operations, and a lot of legacy tech, your attack surface has exploded. Last year, over 60% of manufacturers reported being targeted by hackers. Malware, ransomware, and phishing are now just part of doing business. Every new system you add is another way in for attackers. So what can you do? Here's where managed service providers come in. MSPs offer 24/7 monitoring, up-to-the-minute threat intelligence, and hands-on compliance support. They fill the gaps even the best in-house IT teams just can't cover, especially when cyber threats don't clock out at 5 p.m. Imagine getting real-time alerts and expert guidance right on your tablet no matter where you are. That's peace of mind, and a whole lot less downtime. But there's a crucial difference between being reactive and being proactive. Proactive cybersecurity is all about catching threats before they become disasters. MSPs are using AI-driven analytics, machine learning, and zero-trust architecture to spot anomalies instantly and lock down your systems before damage is done. Think of it as layers of digital shields, working around the clock so you don't have to. Across the industry, I'm seeing this shift happen fast. Whether it's aerospace, automotive, or electronics, more manufacturers are adopting MSPs to meet rising insurance requirements and new compliance mandates. For most, the question isn't if they'll partner with an MSP, it's how fast can we get this started. Proactive is the new standard, and that's not changing anytime soon. So, want to protect your manufacturing operation in 2025? Check out the full article at consilien.com/news and see how a proactive MSP partnership can transform your security game. Don't forget to subscribe for more future-proof insights. Your operation's future is only as secure as the steps you take today.